Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to into Bitcoin. Big of the CoinsKid crew. So Bitcoin expectedly is having a bit of a drawback. There was a little bit of a bearish divergence, and even on the daily time frame, there was a bit of a bearish divergence that I've shown you last week as well. So it is having a bit of a pullback, which is normal. Obviously, you run into key resistance, looking for support to break this high. So I think that once we break this high, we do have a major level of resistance in front of us, which is this wick low, way back there in January 2022 at 32933. So we might expect a level of resistance there again on this next little impulsive move up, and then come from for some kind of correction coming back down. But I'm looking for Bitcoin to break 32933. I think if we start to break that, you've got a massive opportunity in front of you for Bitcoin to run around about 39% to 46388, which is this point of contact here off this falling wedge. Okay, so at the time I remember this particular pattern coming down. We got the points of contact here, the 3 points of contact of support in the wedge, and then we got the 3 points of contact in the resistance. And I said to you, in usual circumstances, falling wedges are usually broken on the third point of contact, and we broke out here. We fell back to the neckline support. Like I said to you, once we broke out of this level of resistance, falling back to it is your golden opportunity, and so far so good. Off that retest of support on the breakout, Bitcoin is currently up roughly 51%. So it's been an amazing opportunity for the CoinsKid crew when everyone was really, really bearish, okay, and paying attention to the macro. But so far so good. Like I said to you, the bulls go up the stairs, and the bears come out the window. So right now we are literally coming up the stairs. So I think that if we take out this level of resistance here, this key resistance of 32933 in time, you will have an amazing opportunity in front of you to ride a lovely little resistance retest up to 46388, and that's around about I think we've just measured that particular move, haven't we? Roughly 41% for Bitcoin. So, is it a case that, Bitcoin is running like this and it comes up like this and then it gets there and then it rolls into a big correction? Absolutely possible. We'll keep an eye on that going forward. But I think we've got a little impulsive move that's coming here, at least to this zone at 32933. I would expect that is a major level resistance. Okay, we might not necessarily melt for it immediately. Looks like we never melted through that resistance just there. And just like we're not melting through this resistance just there, potentially looking for a high low to break it, another little ascending triangle or something, and then go again for Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm looking for Bitcoin to get to this target anyway, like I said to you, before it loses this low. And the reason is because simple technical analysis, we've broken out the wedge, we're falling back to the neckline support. So once we've broken out and landed on support, 46k was always my minimal target. It was on the thumbnails at the start of the year. Okay, so like I said to you, just patience is key, isn't it? Let's dive into the 15-minute time frame to see what we can see for Bitcoin going forward. So looking at Bitcoin on a 15-minute time frame, I think at the moment we're looking pretty good, I'll be honest with you. It doesn't make me a perm bull, perm bear, whatever, but I think, like I've always said to you, in a bull market, dips are for buying, not necessarily for crying. And what we're doing right now, the fact that we took out this high the other day, just on this little thrust, it means that this is an impulsive wave, basically, and we're looking pretty tasty, providing we can retrace and hold this low. So this low is really important right now. So what we're looking for Bitcoin is to retrace that low without losing it, and then break that before it loses that. It means that you've got another impulsive move, basically. So at the moment, what we've got is a possible impulsive wave, and right now we're going for a corrective wave coming back down to this level here, 29407. Okay, so at the moment as well, if we zoom out, like I said to you a few weeks ago, when we start to come back down here like this, I would expect Bitcoin to carve out some kind of big ascending triangle right here. Just go sideways, allow the EMAs to creep back up with you, find that support, and then go again. Okay, so what we're looking at is a trend line here of the bottom. Get as many points of contact as you can. So just there's an orange trend line. Okay, so I don't want to see Bitcoin losing this orange trend line. I think this could be classed as some kind of little bear trap that happened the other day. I think it was the SEC coming out saying that we're not approving the ETFs or something, and Bitcoin tanked but immediately come back up. And what it did here, taking out this high, actually created the probability that this is an impulsive wave off this low. So this is your correction in, and right now this impulsive wave, corrective wave coming back, and then looking to break this resistance just there. So at the minute I can't be too bearish. I think we're going through possibly some kind of A, some kind of B, some kind of C wave correction. Now if we take out this level of resistance here, it will confirm that this is your bottom of the correction. But what I'm looking at is just a big massive ascending triangle here, and break it on the third point of contact will be absolutely amazing. Okay, so at the moment I'm looking for more of a bit of a drawdown on Bitcoin, to be honest with you, and I'm going to show you those levels that I'm looking at. So if we zoom in on the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin right now, we can see we've got a little bit of a bear flag. Okay, so we'll come down like this, coming back up in this channel, broken down, confirm resistance, and we're looking to drop to at least this target here. Now if we do start to do that, I think that this might be some kind of A, this might be some kind of B, C wave back up, okay, and then we drop again towards this orange trend line, and that will be the last wave. And what we've got is some kind of A, B, C wave correction as a possibility, okay, over the next week, and then this is your opportunity to come back up for Bitcoin, okay. So what I'm looking at right now for Bitcoin is a possibility that we're going to come down, bounce off that low, and then start to come back up. So that low just there, that bear flag target, is roughly, let me get that knob on for you, 30659. So I'm looking to put some longs in at that position and equally put my stop loss on that week low. Okay, so this would be the A wave, the B wave, the C wave. This will come up and then it will drop again towards this orange line, and it will be the perfect ABC correction from this low here. Okay, so this is impulsive, this is corrective, and we're looking at another impulsive move, and this is all inside of a huge ascending triangle like this. Okay, so you know, I'm always trying to find opportunity for you. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice. You can trade all this, you know, you can go long, you can go short. All the links are in the video description, but right now I'm looking to load up a long at 30654 with my stop loss on 30634. You know, I don't necessarily think that will be the bottom either, because I think we'll start to come back up, possibly come back up to the 1272, the 1618, sorry, at that level there. So this could offer a lovely little long for you to come up from this point here, come up in the C wave, and then we have another 5 waves down at the C wave, basically. You know, for Bitcoin, I know it's confusing, but I'm looking at a perfect little A, B, C correction back down to that low just there, which is still a higher low, and you've got an impulsive wave, corrective wave, and then boom, a massive wave 3, which is coming for Bitcoin to take us up to all that levels of resistance right there. Okay, so obviously this could be the bottom right now, and what we're looking to do is double bottom like this and come up. So if we start to come up and we take out this high here, then this is your bottom just there. Okay, and I'll keep you updated as best I can, but right now I'm looking for the little bear flag to play out. So we've come down like this, we're coming up in this little channel, we're breaking down, confirming resistance, so we're looking to come down to at least 30654, load up some longs, stop loss on 30634, we're really tight stop loss down there, and then ride this opportunity back up, okay, into the golden ratio, the 1618 at 31018. And you can do all this on Bybit or BitGet, it's entirely up to you. Amazing sign up bonuses, but you know, right now, if shortened your game, you could have gone short here on this level of resistance with a stop loss and riding it all the way back down to the bear flag target. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, back soon, bye bye.